Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge. I'm Arif.
And I'm Emma. We're very happy to see you again.
Today is day 5 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Today's topic is self-introduction.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in English and how to introduce another person confidently.
Let's begin.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Arif. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Great. Today, let's introduce ourselves properly.
That's a wonderful idea. I'll go first. Hello, everyone. My name is Arif Islam, but you can call me Arif. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student, and I'm passionate about learning English. I'm also interested in technology, computers, and making educational videos. In my free time, I enjoy playing cricket, watching English movies, reading books, and practicing spoken English. My dream is to study abroad and become a successful software engineer. I'm learning English because I want to communicate with people from different countries and achieve my goals. I'm friendly, hardworking, and always ready to learn something new. It's very nice to meet all of you.
That was an excellent introduction. Now it's my turn. Hello, everyone. My name is Emma Wilson. I'm from Canada. I'm an English learner, and I also enjoy helping others practice English. My hobbies are reading books, traveling, cooking, listening to music, and taking photographs. I love meeting new people and learning about different cultures. My favorite subject is English because it helps me communicate with people around the world. In the future, I want to become an English teacher and inspire students to speak English confidently. I'm kind, patient, and always happy to make new friends. Thank you for listening.
That was amazing, Emma. You spoke very clearly.
Thank you so much, Arif. Now, let's introduce each other.
Everyone, I'd like to introduce my friend Emma. She is from Canada. She enjoys reading books, cooking, traveling, and photography. She wants to become an English teacher in the future. She is very kind, confident, and hardworking. I think she is a wonderful friend. I'm happy to practice English with her.
Now I'd like to introduce my friend Arif. He is from Bangladesh. He is a student and loves learning English. He enjoys playing cricket, making YouTube videos, and learning new technology. His dream is to study abroad and become a software engineer. He is friendly, honest, and always willing to help others. I'm lucky to have a friend like him.
Emma, it was wonderful talking with you today.
Thank you, Arif. I really enjoyed introducing ourselves.
I hope everyone watching this video learned something useful.
Practice introducing yourself every day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Tomorrow is day 6 of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
We'll learn another exciting real-life English conversation.
Thank you for watching.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.